Hello, everyone. Welcome to spedserve Kitchen Education, where I talk about food and cooking in relation to special needs, education, and disabilities. Today, you're going to learn how to make safe foods healthier. Many individuals with disabilities have what are known as safe foods. These are foods that they trust, enjoy, and feel comfortable eating. Safe foods can be especially important for individuals with autism, ADHD, sensory processing differences, intellectual disabilities, feeding disorders, and other conditions that affect eating habits. However, many safe foods aren't always the most nutritious options. So, how can we improve nutrition without causing stress, anxiety, or food refusal? That's exactly what we're talking about today. Let's get started. What are safe foods? Before we discuss making them healthier, let's talk about what they actually are. A safe food is a food that feels predictable and comfortable to eat. Someone may like the taste, texture, smell, appearance, or routine associated with that food. Examples of common safe foods include chicken nuggets, mac and cheese, french fries, crackers, certain cereals, specific brands of snacks like Aldi brand or generic great value, what have you. It's important to understand that safe foods are not simply someone being picky. For many individuals, safe foods help reduce anxiety and provide a sense of security around eating. As educators, parents, caregivers, and advocates, we should respect those needs while helping expand nutrition when possible. What not to do? One of the biggest mistakes people make is trying to force healthy eating. You may hear things like, you can't leave the table until you finish your vegetables, or no more nuggets until you eat something healthy. While these statements may be well intentioned, they often increase stress and create negative experience around food. Instead of forcing change, focus on gradual progression. Nutrition is a journey, not a battle. Start with small changes. The first strategy is very simple. Start small. Don't completely replace a safe food overnight. Instead, make tiny improvements. For example, if someone enjoys chicken nuggets, try baking instead of frying them. If they like mac and cheese, consider using a higher protein version. If french fries are a favorite, try baked fries or air fried potatoes. Small changes often lead to bigger successes over time. Keep foods similar or familiar. Many people with sensory sensitivity rely on familiarity. A food may have the same ingredients, but if it looks different, it may no longer feel safe. That's why it helps to keep similar shapes, colors, textures, brands when possible. The more familiar the food appears, the more likely someone may be willing to accept a healthier version. Add instead of remove. A great nutrition strategy is adding healthy food rather than taking favorite foods away. Instead of saying no more crackers, try saying let's have crackers and fruit. Instead of removing mac and cheese, consider serving it alongside a protein source, like chicken. Adding nutrients often feels less restrictive than removing favorite food. Food chaining. Another helpful technique is called food chaining. Food chaining means moving from one accepted food to another food that is very similar. For example, chicken nuggets can lead to chicken strips. Chicken strips can lead to grilled chicken pieces. Or french fries can lead to baked potato wedges. Potato wedges can lead to roasted potatoes. The goal is to make each step feel familiar and manageable. Make safe foods work harder. Sometimes the best solution to improving the nutrition of the safe food itself. Here are some examples. Mac and cheese. Use higher protein pasta or add small amounts of shredded chicken. Smoothies. Add fruit, milk, yogurt, or nut butter. Pizza. Choose a whole wheat crust, extra protein, or tolerated vegetable toppings. These small adjustments can increase nutrition without dramatically changing the eating experience. Respect sensory needs. Nutrition is important, but sensory needs matter too. Someone may enjoy crunchy carrots but dislike cooked carrots. They may eat apple slices but refuse applesauce. The nutritional value may be similar, but the sensory experience is completely different. Respecting sensory differences helps build trust and creates a more positive relationship with food. Progress over perfection. One of the most important lessons to remember is that progress matters more than perfection. Healthy eating doesn't happen overnight. For some individuals, trying one new food can be a huge accomplishment. Let's celebrate those victories. Every step towards a more balanced diet is worth recognizing. Safe foods play an important role in the lives of many people with disabilities and special needs. Rather than forcing change, we can support healthier eating by making small changes, keeping food familiar, adding nutrition gradually, using food chaining, and respecting sensory needs. By doing so, we can improve nutrition while maintaining comfort, trust, and dignity. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to like, subscribe, and leave a comment sharing a safe food that you've successfully made healthier or one that you just enjoy, period. I'm Connor, and this has been spedserve Kitchen Education, where special education meets kitchen education. And I will see you next time.